Chapter 8: Evolution of Artificial Intelligence. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is an ability of a machine to think and learn. Artificial intelligence is not a new word and not a new technology for researchers. This technology is much older than you would imagine. Artificial intelligence has evolved during these years. Let us take a look at some of the revolutionary inventions. Evolution of artificial intelligence. Maturation of artificial intelligence. 1943 to 1952. Year 1943. The first work which is now recognized as AI was done by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial neurons. Year 1949. Donald Hebb demonstrated an updating rule for modifying the connection strength between neurons. His rule is now called Hebbian learning. Year 1950. Alan Turing, who was a mathematician, pioneered machine learning in 1950. Alan Turing publishes Computing Machinery and Intelligent, in which he proposed a test. The test can check the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence, called a Turing test. One of the greatest achievements of Alan Turing is the creation of Bombi, a machine that could decode and encode messages. The birth of artificial intelligence, 1953 to 1960. Year 1955. Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program had proved 38 of 52 mathematics theorems and find new or more elegant proofs for some theorems. Year 1956. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in a Dartmouth conference. He is known as father of AI. Year 1958. John McCarthy created the programming language Lisp, which was extensively used to program AI system. The Golden Years, Early Enthusiasm, 1961 to 1974. Year 1966. The researchers emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named Eliza. The Golden Years, Early Enthusiasm, 1961 to 1974. Year 1973. The first intelligent humanoid robot, Webot, was built in Japan by Chiro Kato. Webot walked with his lower limbs and was able to grip and transport objects with his hands. A boom of AI, 1975 to 1997. Year 1980. Expert systems were programmed that emulate the decision-making ability of a human expert. Year 1997. IBM created Deep Blue, which beats world chess champion Garry Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world chess champion. The emergence of intelligence agents, 1998 to 2009. Year 1998. Dr. Cynthia Breazeal developed a robot, Kismet, that could recognize and copy human emotions with its face. Year 2000. Honda releases Asimo, advanced step in innovative mobility, an artificial humanoid robot in 2000. It can walk, recognize faces, and use its arm like human beings. Year 2002. Copy iRobot released Roomba, an autonomous robot vacuum cleaner that cleans and is able to avoid crashing into obstacles. Year 2004. NASA's robotic exploration rovers Spirit and Opportunity navigate planet Mars without human intervention. Deep learning, big data, and artificial intelligence, 2010 to present. Year 2010. Microsoft launched Kinect for Xbox 360, the first gaming device that tracked human body movement using a 3D camera and infrared detection. Year 2011. Apple Corp. Released Siri, a virtual assistant. Siri uses natural language user interface to infer, observe, answer and recommend things to its human user. Siri. Year 2012. Google launched an Android One app feature, Google Now, which was able to provide information to the user as a prediction. Google Now. Year 2004. Microsoft released Cortana, their version of a virtual assistant similar to Siri. Amazon created Alexa, a home assistant that is a smart speaker functioning as a personal assistant. Cortana, Alexa. Year 2016. A humanoid robot named Sophia is created by David Hanson. A smart speaker, Google Home, was released by Google, which uses AI to act as a personal assistant. Year 2018. Google Duplex was announced by Google CEO Sundar Pichai. He showed how a company can use AI-driven voice to make phone appointments without any interaction from the user. Now AI has developed to a remarkable level. The concept of deep learning, big data, and data science are now trending like a boom. Nowadays, companies like Google, Facebook, IBM, and Amazon are working with AI and creating amazing devices. The future of AI is inspiring and will come with high intelligence. Wrap up. Artificial intelligence is an ability of a machine to think and learn. John McCarthy is known as father of AI. Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named Eliza. In 2016, David Hanson created a humanoid named Sophia. In 2018, Google announced a virtual assistant named Google Duplex.